how to make deposits and withdrawals on BitForex. Deposits. Click Token Trading. Click Deposit button on your right-hand side. Enter the token you want to top up. Click Deposit on the search result interface. Copy your deposit address. Paste the address from other trading platform to make deposit. Yes, the deposit is done. Withdrawals. Click Token Trading. Click Deposit button on your right-hand side. Enter the token you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw on the search result interface. Click Add Address. Enter your name. Copy the withdrawal address from other trading platform. Paste the withdrawal address here. Click Confirm. Mining fee. Click Submit. Enter the SMS verification code on your mobile phone. Click Submit. Yes, that's the whole process of withdrawals.